Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made some frozen yogurt dipped berries. Very similar to the kebabs I made a little while ago, the fruit kebabs. So instead of putting them on a stick, I kind of made little sandwiches here with strawberry and banana. So your dip, you can do again whatever you like. I used Greek yogurt and put some vanilla extract in there and some peanut butter. However you want to flavor it. So honey would work, so would cinnamon, nutmeg, maple syrup, whatever you want to put in your frozen yogurt dip. So the only difference, the other one I did, you just dipped it in that. This one I froze it. So I dipped each one of them, or made a little sandwich out of each one of them, and threw it in the freezer for a couple of hours. Nice tasty cold treat on those hot days. Anyway, take care guys. Thanks, bye.